all landlords of such land and all other persons interested therein agree. नानू गोविंद नाईक मरे एक
कितले आहे ते टोटल 17 किती म्हणून ऐकलं
हय जायत आहे ते ओनर.
Regarding this field, I would call it field. This was underwater for around 10 years, but before that it used to totally dry up during summer. Some thought that this building, which is come very close to the agricultural land here, they thought that because of that some drainage system has been blocked or something, and then some people said that there's a cross drain near the national highway which is blocked. पूण हांवें चिंतलें की the drain which is on the other side of the road is on a higher level and water cannot flow against gravity. So I ruled out that inspection. Little bit of my engineering knowledge is also there. So हांवें चिंतलें उदक रिवर्स कितकून फ्लो जातलें, so there should be some reason. So I tried my best. I brought the agriculture department here. We did an inspection, but the agriculture department couldn't help us. They said if you dry it then we can do something about it, but then again the ball came to my court. I studied it well. Then I thought there might be some leakage from the water pipeline, so I brought the PWD in. They rectified a small leakage, but that couldn't lead to the filling of this such a big field. So after that, when the tarring started, the national highway tarring, the second court started, I came to know that if the tarring happens, then the pipeline which is under the road, nothing can be done for 5 long years. So I requested the national highway, Kottali, and I told them just to halt this area for some time. And then I approached the PWD, and PWD also cooperated. They brought in JCB, they dug the road because the road has been widened now, the pipeline is under the road. So to repair or rectify any fault, they have to cut the road. And once the tarring is done, road cutting will be a very difficult process for the next 5 years. So I requested, and the National Highway as well as the PWD both cooperated. I did follow up. We had to go to the higher office also for permissions. And then finally we found a leakage. And there was a huge water flow, like lots of water flowing from the pipe and going into the field. And मागीर after that was rectified, मागीर कळलें की शेत सारकें ड्राय जातलें म्हूण, आनी water level came down आनी आतां सुकला. So since my childhood I remember this used to be dry at least 4-5 months. So आतां हें हांवें सुकयलां. आतां it's up to the आमचे चिकाली फार्मर्स youth farmers club आसा, तेणी जायतीं शेतां परत चालू केले. So I would request them, and I have already requested them to start cultivation here. आनीक आमचो फादर बॉलमॅक्स आहा हिंगा तो सांगतलो तुमकां कितें तें. तशेंच आउट ऑफ दॅट टॉपीक हिंगासर एक बरेचशें हांव प्लॅनिंग केलां ऑलरेडी. 1-2 ओनरा कडेन उलयलां, लायक सोफा कम रिटेनिंग वॉल फॉर पीपल टू सीट with nice tiles. आमचे चड करून सिनियर सिटीजनांक सांजचे बसपाक. And BMC आमचो chairman Mr. Rui also has agreed, and he said we'll put nice plants also here, nice plants which will give shade, and we will beautify this place. So it's a great achievement. 10 long years everybody tried to find out the reason and tried their best to stop the water from coming into the field. But finally I am successful, and that's a success for me. I have already requested the agricultural department, the area officer. He has already inspected this place before. So he has promised me and assured me that he will help me in de-weeding. Now this has not been cultivated for a long time, and I think the roots must be quite deep. So de-weeding process would be very expensive. So I request the agriculture department to speed it up, and आमकां मातशें बेगीनूय डिविडिंग करून दिलें जाल्यार आमकां शेतां रोवपाक ह्या पावसान जातली.
चिकाली यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब घडल्यार इट इज मोर देन 3 years नाव, आनी गेल्ल्या 3 वर्सांनी आमी चिकालीची शेतां रिवायव केल्या. आनी तितून भितर एक आमची नदर आसलेली ती ही आमच्या फाटल्यान आहा तें आमी ताका लोटस पॉंड म्हणपाक कॉमेर्स केल्लें कित्याक तें उदक भरोन उरतालें ड्रेन्स ज्यो आसल्यो त्यो खंय तरी ते रिपेर करता आसतना इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवेलपमेंट त्यो चोक जाल्ल्यो कितें तरी तेंचो फॉल्ट जाल्लो आय बिलीव आमी मागीर ते पंचायतीक सांगलोलें आमकां हेचो प्रॉब्लम जाता आमी रोवपाक सोदता रिवायव करपाक सोदता आनी पूण सम ड्रेन्स इन चिकाली हॅव बीन ब्लॉक त्यो मातशें तुमी जर तर ओपन करीत जाल्यार आमी उरले ते बीन रिवायव करपाक चिकालींक आदार करपाक जाता म्हण सो ह्या वर्साक एक खुशालकायेची खबर आतां फाटल्यान दिसती पडटा आमकां फर्स्ट टायम एटलिस्ट हांव तरी हिंगा आयल्यार फर्स्ट टायम हें ड्राय चोयलां अदरवायज टील इट रेन्स ते पावस पडटालो सो हे पावटीक वी हॅव ऑलरेडी कॉन्टॅक्टेड सम ऑफ द ओनर्स देर आर मेनी ओनर्स मल्टिपल ओनरशीप आहा तेजी सो मेजर ओनरशीप आहा तांकां आमी सद्याक आतां ऑलरेडी मेळ्ळ्या उरल्या तांकांय आमी मेळटले आनी तेंकडेन डिस्कस करतले वेर दे अलाव अस टू कल्टिवेट हितून भितर तेंची ओनरशीप आमी ऑनलायन म्हणल्यार चिकाली यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब वॉट वी डू इज आमी फकत NOC घेता ओनरा कडेन टू अलाव अस टू कल्टिवेट आनी ऑल्सो मेक इट अ पॉयंट की हितून आमकां कसले स्टेक्स नाय वी आर नॉट क्लेमींग एनी टेनन्सी रायट्स ऑर मुनकारियल रायट्स हे रायट्स आमी कसलेच हे करना वी आर जस्ट गोईंग टू कल्टिवेट आनी एनी टायम दे वॉन्ट देअर प्रॉपर्टी दे कॅन टेक इट बॅक सो त्या हेजेर आमचे हिंगा चिकालीचे जे ओनर्स आहा दे हॅव बीन व्हेरी जनरस कायंड हार्टेड टू अलाव अस सो तेंच्या हेजेर चिकाली यूथ फार्मर्स क्लबांनी ती आतां गेल्ल्या वर्सांनी शेतां रिवायव केल्या सो दीस वूड बी दिस इयर्स न्यू अटेम्प्ट दॅट वी आर गोईंग टू डू